to and how not to ice skate like a pro. And like a pro and a noob. Yeah. So first things first, let me take out my list. Wait, let me take my list out real quick. Sorry guys. So first, we're gonna learn basic skating. So I'm gonna. You wanna put your feet. Look at my feet. You wanna put them in a V, and then you just push off the side like that, and you're automatically a pro. Like you're already getting like that's great. How not to do basic skating. So to skate backwards, you wanna just like bend your knees, and you wanna do this when you go forwards too. You wanna bend your knees and shake your hips side to side like little seat cuts, like that. You wanna be on your toes, you know, and then you can get fast with it, and then you can get fancy with it. But we're not there yet. We're not there yet.
Yeah.
I'll teach you to get there and be a cool, awesome person. Next up on the list, we have edge work. Edge work is a necessity. So look at my feet. No, get low. Get low. Okay. So edge work. This is your inside edge. That is your inside edge. This is your outside edge. Inside, outside. Yeah. So that. Like this. Come. Or just zoom in. Just zoom in. So edge work. We're gonna go around the circle. Make little seat cuts. On your outside edge. On your outside edge. How not to do edge work. You see those edges? They're not really edging. Now that we got edges covered mostly, the basics, we're gonna do how to stop, which is normally what you want to do first, actually. So how to stop. The most basic form of stopping. You're going forward, you just want to push out, like an A from your foot. That's called the snow. The snowplow stop. How to do basic stop. How not to do basic stopping. But the first thing that you'll want to know is how is how to fall. So to fall. This is number one. We're gonna edit this later. To fall, you're just gonna like, and then to get up, you go on your. You go one leg up like this, both hands, and you push. So let's demonstrate that again. So you're skating, la 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 la. And now you Next up, how to do a hockey stop. Because we want to teach you how to be cool today. We're doing a hockey stop today. Yeah, so you're gonna go over there. So, what first? I'm gonna teach you the motions of a hockey stop. I'm gonna teach you the motions of a hockey stop, and then I'm gonna show you it in motion. How the hockey stop. You're going forward, and then you twist your full hips like that, and you stop like that, okay? But we're gonna do it fast, so pause. No. Bro. How not to do hockey stops. Ate that. Just like that. That is. Yeah.
Teach him how to do that.
That's how you hockey stop. And now. Let me get that for you. Bro. Next up, we're gonna learn a 2-foot spin. Now, normally you want to do this in figure skates, but I'm feeling frisky today. So to do it, you want to just, go straight out like that. You're just going to pull your arms in. Okay? So you're going to go push and then pull like that. But normally, figure skates are better for the spins, but I like hockey skates. So, and then you can do a flip. Something like that. Something like that. Yeah. I'm definitely a figure skater.
How not to do a 2-foot spin. Honestly, close enough. Ate that up too.
I once was. Next up, crossovers, forward and backwards. How about, yeah, I'll just show you over here. So to cross over, it helps increase momentum. So always, hockey players do this all the time. So instead of going just straight forward, you know, like, you're just gonna cross over like that and do it non-stop to gain more momentum. And you can do that forward and backwards. But you know, first up, you want to do it slow. So like,
How not to do crossovers. Forwards and backwards.
now we can start doing them backwards. You want to start off with backwards sequence, like this. And then you want to, sorry.
You're good.
Go get to this. Like that. Wait. Like that. So that is how you do crossovers to be really, really cool and awesome. Like, you know, moi.
How not to do backwards crossovers.
Lunges. Lunges are also for figure skaters, but you know, sometimes hockey players fall and it happens. Basically, to do a lunge, you just want to like get as low as you can and drag your skate, not the blade, your skate. That's perfect. That's perfect. That's what you want to do when you want a lunge.
How not to do a lunge.
Next up on the list, we have how to spiral. A spiral is a figure skating move. Hockey players never do this, but I'm gonna do it anyway. I'm gonna have to do a lap real quick for this. Normally you want to get as high as you possibly can, and you know figure skates are better for that because hockey skates are curved, and you know they're curved, so that doesn't make it very safe for spirals.
How not to do a spiral.
Next up, you would think that I had this memorized, but next up we have a waltz jump. Figure skating again, but I can do it in hockey skates. We'll see. We'll learn together. No, this is a how-to video. I'm teaching you. Okay. I'm gonna do it right here. So. You start off on your left outside edge, and then you start off on your left outside edge. Bring your arms forward, you bring them back, and land on your outside right edge. Like so. Like this. Like that. Don't race me. I'm not good.
How not to do a waltz jump. Ate that!
Last but not least, we're gonna do a spread eagle. So I'm gonna do this around the whole ring, so just record the whole thing, I guess. That is how you do a spread eagle. You know, you gotta spread your legs. Really?
How not to do a spread eagle. Okay.